How can the Medical Nutritional Institute assist with concentration and ADHD? Concentration is defined as the mental action or process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. While a lot of attention and research has focused on methods to increase attention, concentration, and improve learning in general, not much has been done to ensure that the information learned is adequately stored and easily retrievable when needed. Today's children are under continued pressure to perform. Periods of emotional stress, discouragement, and a busy lifestyle can leave children and their parents demotivated and unable to concentrate. At the same time, children naturally vary in their ability to concentrate and keep motivated. Your child's ability to focus and do well is therefore a complex interplay of many factors. All children are different and change according to their age and what is going on in their lives. Children's attention span naturally increases with age. According to educational psychologists, a child's attention span increases between 2 and 5 minutes every year. This means that a 5-year-old should be able to stay focused for between 10 and 25 minutes and a 10-year-old twice that. If your child sometimes cannot concentrate for this long, it doesn't mean that anything is wrong, but that maybe he may need some extra attention. In general, children can easily become distracted and ill-motivated, whether just for a specific subject or school in general. If your child consistently struggles to focus, no matter the task, they may be battling with a more serious concentration difficulty and should see an educational psychologist. Let's look at ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD is a neurodevelopmental disorder characterized by a suite of symptoms which collectively result in trouble paying attention, difficulty controlling behavior, and excessive activity. Although ADHD is often thought of as a childhood disorder, adults can also suffer from the condition. So what are the symptoms of ADHD? The symptoms of ADHD are complex and must occur in combination and be persistent to reach a diagnosis. Major symptoms of ADHD include inattention, hyperactivity or restlessness, disruptive behavior, and impulsivity. Problems with keeping motivated and goal-oriented tasks can also be experienced. Emotional issues such as anger, anxiety, and depression are also more common. ADHD is often associated with drifting off during conversations, as well as language issues, both verbal and nonverbal, causing social cues to be missed. Depending on the exact symptoms, ADHD can be divided into 3 subtypes. ADHD inattentive type is characterized by difficulty in staying focused and completing tasks. ADHD hyperactive impulsive type is characterized by restlessness, hyperactivity, and childish or destructive behaviors. And ADHD combined type exists as a combination of symptoms of the other 2 types. What causes ADHD? The underlying causes of ADHD are in the majority of cases unknown. ADHD is often inherited in families, suggesting underlying genetic causes in 2/3 of cases. Environmental factors may also result in the syndrome. Traumatic brain injury and infection of the brain by certain viruses and bacteria during early childhood may also result in ADHD. Now, can environmental factors make ADHD worse? Some environmental factors may worsen symptoms or make it harder for sufferers to focus on the tasks at hand. Stress is a large contributor, making concentration, sleeping, and staying focused more difficult. Many ADHD-like symptoms can also cause stress, resulting in a cycle which only makes ADHD worse. Effective stress management is therefore essential to living with ADHD. Overstimulation can also worsen your symptoms. Other contributing factors to worsening of ADHD symptoms includes sleep deprivation and the presence of distractions such as TV, cell phones, and loud music. Now, how is ADHD diagnosed? A diagnosis of ADHD should be carried out by a qualified professional, In order for a diagnosis to be made, symptoms must appear between the ages of 6 and 12 and be present for more than 6 months. Specifically, diagnosis takes place via a number of routes which assess behavioral and mental development. Can I or my child live a normal life and still be successful with ADHD? ADHD can be a lifelong condition, with between 30 and 50% of children diagnosed presenting symptoms into adulthood. With proper treatment, those with ADHD can improve over time and develop healthy coping mechanisms, behavior, good self-esteem, and productive social relationships. This is especially true if they pursue a career which they express interest in. For more information and support, you can contact the ADHD Association of South Africa. How do I help my child to concentrate? First of all, it is essential to seek professional advice and treatment. There are, however, a few strategies which you can begin to include in your daily life to help your child stay motivated and concentrate on the tasks which matter. Set a daily routine. A schedule helps children to know when and what is expected of them, monitor your child's activity and concentration levels, and try to adapt their schedule and take into account when they are best able to complete certain tasks. When it comes to studying, the use of a clock will help them to stick to a schedule and be more conscious of their attention span. Take short breaks in between sessions. Try to discover which style of learning best suits your child and incorporate your child's interests into their work. And it is very important to remove distractions when they are studying. Give your child choices in their daily lives. This increases motivation to stick with the decisions and complete tasks because they are invested in how and why they are achieving a goal. Praise their effort, not just their achievements, and teach them that failure is part of learning. Identify why they are discouraged or not able to concentrate. Understanding this will make it much easier to take steps to correct it. Mental and physical health are often thought of as separate, but they are highly interlinked. Promote a healthy lifestyle. Follow a healthy diet and start your day with a good breakfast. Drink plenty of water and encourage exercise and regular movement. Also ensure your child is getting enough sleep. ADHD treatment revolves around behavioral and medicinal interventions. In most cases, stimulant medications such as Ritalin or Concerta are prescribed. Now, while the side effects of medication may cause parents and sufferers to seek alternative treatments, they should not ignore the advice of their healthcare provider. Behavioral therapies and medication can offer significant benefit, but in cases where additional support is required, some herbal supplements can help reduce the severity of symptoms. There are effective supplements that have been shown to improve symptoms associated with ADHD that can be used as part of your treatment plan. Neurovance, developed by the Medical Nutritional Institute, can safely and effectively improve mental functioning. It contains a blend of plant-derived phytochemicals that will optimize your concentration, brain function, and focus. By targeting multiple neurological pathways simultaneously, it can assist you in reaching your potential without acting as a sedative or stimulant. The individual ingredients target multiple biological pathways recognized to reduce stress, improve concentration and focus, and promote calmness in both children and adults. As an assistive therapy, Neurovance can therefore help to improve concentration, brain function, and focus and assist you and your child in reaching your full potential. Our daily lifestyle demands affect our ability to stay focused and motivated, and our children are under continued pressure to perform. Assess your concentration capacity by completing our online assessment, or help your child perform at their best by taking the concentration assessment available for children. For more information or support, please visit our website at mnilifestyle.co.za.